Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Jimdo website. First, select a template that aligns with your vision. Jimdo offers many options, so take your time. Next, add essential pages like About Us and Contact. You can then customize your site's appearance by changing colors, fonts, and adding your own images. It's a straightforward process to get your basic site up and running quickly. Once your basic structure is ready, it's time to add content. Jimdo's drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to place text, images, and videos exactly where you want them. Consider adding a blog to share news and connect with your audience. If you're selling products, setting up an online store is intuitive, allowing you to manage inventory and process orders efficiently. It's all about making your site functional and engaging. To ensure your Jimdo website performs well, focus on optimization. First, confirm your site is mobile responsive. Most visitors use phones. Next, use clear and concise language throughout your content to keep visitors engaged. Finally, optimize your images to ensure fast loading times, which is crucial for user experience and search engine ranking. These steps will help your site look great and function smoothly for everyone. After all your hard work, it's time to launch. Connect your custom domain name to give your website a professional address. Then, promote your new site across all your social media channels to attract visitors. Remember, a great website is just the beginning. Continuous updates and engagement are key to growth. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.